Let's talk about an insider game plan for this year. Let's discuss the price action and where the stocks will squeeze, because we're gonna buy with insiders and sell before the short seller will come, because we don't want to buy on the top and we hold a huge back down. We are inside a bearish market, and not even a bearish market, but sideways market. It's still not in bearish territory yet. We're gonna discuss one level for the SPY that will have the turning point for the whole market. So let's start our video with Muln. Last time we discussed Muln, we talked about the 31 support, and we said if we don't hold this ascending line, we're gonna have a huge dive back toward this support, the 31. So now we get in near, we got a huge buying pressure when the market opened. You see what's happened? The market opened and we got this huge buying pressure, and we went higher to test our support yesterday. The 36 cent now is our resistance, and the price continued to go down. So the short seller will drive the price for Muln until this price action, and here we should see a buying pressure happening before the market close. This will happen in power hour, for my opinion, around the 31 cents. So what's the game plan? Of course, the price will go here. We want to have another wick for the price till the 34 cent at least, to continue to go higher, and the next days or Friday to overcome the 36. This is the best case scenario and the best reaction we should have for Muln to confirm there is a huge buyer and the market maker buying above the 31 cents, 43 cents. This will be a major turning point for Muln after we hold the 31 cent. This reaction should happen. We hold above the 31 cent, breaking the 43 cent. This will confirm that the 31 cent is our bottom, and we're gonna continue to go higher. We don't want to see this reaction breaking the 31 without even a buying pressure. It means the price will continue to go down toward the 26 cent. Rvph, we talked about it, our Patreon and pre-market 3 days ago, when we said the $4.40 will be our breakout zone, and even we calculate how much percentage we can make. And profit taken, we said around $5.69 for Rvph. Now the price went higher, and you see that the price have a huge green candle the moment that we broke our resistance, the $4.46. And we got the first test around the $5, of course, $5.15. Now we still holding above the $4.46. If we continue to hold, we're gonna get this level of reaction going for the $5.69, which is the first profit taken, and then the $9.32 price action. Of course, we need to hold the $4.46 to confirm this reaction or movement for Rvph. Let me go to Tesla and Google and the other stock and blue chip company before we're gonna go and talk about Maet, because it's getting near our breakout zone, and Prty, because we have a huge request for Prty, of course, in our YouTube channel. So let me just go first. Tesla still have a struggle to overcome the 234 cents. Of course, Nvidia, we got test yesterday the $140, and we went down below it. NEO as well is pumping almost 4%, but we still have a struggle to overcome this resistance around the $10. You see red candle now forming, so still for NEO the confirmation for strength is overcoming this AMA around the $11.77. Otherwise the price is still undecided, and the price is still continue to go down, and we see that the huge pressure opened for NEO the moment that we broke the $11.77. For the SPY, the most important turning point for the SPY, let me just go in the big picture. We have to step back and just see the big picture, because when we go deeper in any problem or issue, we can solve it. We're still inside this descending channel. Clearly we're still downtrending. Still we're not in bearish trend. You see here the huge dip. This is after COVID, so we still have the gain that we did 2 years ago. So for my opinion, we not entered the huge bearish trend for the SPY. So if we visit this area, my opinion should be the bottom for the SPY around the 300 339 and the 321, we're gonna have confirmation for reversal when we hold this level and breaking this descending channel and closing next time above the 389. This is the only reaction that the SPY will have a genuine buying pressure and enter in the bullish trend. We are not in bearish trend yet because we have a parabolic price action for the SPY. Now we're just correcting. So as we said, above this area we're still correcting. Below this area is mean we enter a bearish trend. A lot of people talk about the market is really heavily down. No, we are already heavily up. We are already extremely overvalued for a lot of stocks and even for the SPY. That's why we're correcting. If you want to load up before this a huge reversal, you can on Momo because you can win 15 free stocks. Imagine. And of course you can get plus over the 15 free stocks $10 exclusively with my link in comment section below. Or notification will pop up here to open an account with Momo. Let me just go back to Prty. Of course, we're not gonna forget Prty this time. Let me just check Prty. Prty went toward our breakout zone. You remember last time we talked about it in our live streaming because we always do our live streaming on Friday 8 p.m. CET. Tomorrow, be sure to attend our live streaming because we answer all the questions regarding stocks, where you enter, where you exit, the price level for a lot of stock that on our list. Just drop it in the chat and we're gonna cover it for you. Answer all the questions that been posted on our comment section here on our channel. We discussed Prty, the price breakout level around the $1.86, a double top around this area. We got rejected the 26th of October last month, and we suggest this will be a breakout zone and turning point. So what's happened? The short came in and the price went down, and even we didn't hold this support, and that's why the short came in heavily for Prty. So what's going on now? Where are we going? So let me just draw another support that we should hold for Prty to see a reversal. So we don't want to go back to the $1.05. Instead, we need to have this reaction. If we have it, we're gonna break the $1.86 next time. So the $1.40 should be our support. Then we're gonna see a test for the $1.86, then break and going toward first the $2.17 and then the $2.70. Okay, two profit taken for Prty for this month if we held the $1.40. So this is a major turning point to confirm the strength of Prty and going higher again. Maet is doing really good because we're still holding this ascending line beautiful above the $1.11. This is our support, and the resistance is just now testing it around the $1.36. So we might get a breakout before the end of trading session for today, or even maybe in the power hour. The $1.36, if we got at least even 15-minute candle closing above around this dotted orange line. You see this? This is alert on trading view. Always I put my alert on trading view for any potential breakout. So even if I go to the bathroom or I just sleep, I hear the sound clicking is mean game on. There's some stock is squeezing. So for Maet is having potential for a pump before the market close. If we close above the $1.36 green candle, there's a huge buying pressure will happen for Maet. Let me just draw my line. First, let me just put another profit taking. $1.64. Let me just check. Yeah, 20%. And again, we might go, yeah, 40%. So $1.64 and the $1.93 before the $2, two profit taking for Maet if we broke the $1.36 and hold above it. Just watch out, this will happen pretty soon. If we didn't and the price never overcome the $1.36, this reaction will happen going back to retest the $1.11. So the $1.11 and the $1 for my opinion above this AMA. This should be our bottom for Maet to confirm break for the $1.36 the next time. If we just get rejected and never broke it now, okay, this will happen holding above the $1, then going higher again. So watch out for this technical area. Pppy Oh man, what's going on? As we discussed it today, we did chart analysis for PPY. We said the support is broken around the $4.26. That's why the price is continue to go down, and we never overcome this descending channel. We have a huge selling pressure every time we test it from above. The squeeze area should be around the $5.81, and the support or the bottom should be around the $3.53. So here we should see a reversal then going above the $4.26. So I already put my alert around the $4.26. You know what's gonna happen? Yeah, another volatility if we overcome the $4.26 breakout zone for BPBY. A lot of people ask me about CEI, what's going on? The level that we already drew from the last videos for CEI is still holding, so is not convenient for us to cover CEI if it's still not moving. You know, I'll just show you. So because the price is still the same price action as before, we said the 0.1792 is our breakout zone. So why we do a video or update for CEI if we don't have any update for the technical, you know? Because we have another stocks we cover. We can actually cover all the stocks on our list, just the stock that hit our alert. And you see we already have alert as well for CEI above the 0.17 cent. When we will trigger, we're gonna do update. So hit the notification and like button so you never miss any of my future update here on our Hunter channel, and see you in the next video.